Hi everyone, so in today's video we are shopping around for refrigerators and freezers, and by we, that is you and moi. We are visiting 6 different home appliances outlets here in Accra. We are checking out the different brands they offer and comparing their prices. A home appliances shopping without Melcom is incomplete, so our first stop is Melcom. I'll try to show you brand by brand, so let's start with Accra. This top mount is going for 6,100 Ghana cedis. By the way, all the prices are in Ghana cedis, but as I do, I'll be converting to US dollars for you. So this one in USD is $515. Next is a 521 liter double door archive fridge. The current price is 12,000 Ghana cedis. To my right is the fridge, and the left hand side, which is a smaller compartment, that is the freezer. This is one of their top mount freezers, but smaller. The price is 2,500 Ghana cedis, which is about $210. The capacity is 130 liters. This dark gray one comes with a water dispenser. The current price is 6,000 Ghana cedis. This is the freezer and the top is the fridge. Okay, now let's check what they have for LG. This is the first fridge for LG, and it comes with a dispenser too. The capacity for this is 630 liters, with the fridge to the base and then the freezer on top. This is the ice maker. The price is 17,598 Ghana cedis. The top mount is going for 10,300 Ghana cedis. Very spacious fridge, and the top is the freezer. Still on LG, checking out their chest freezers. This 198 liter freezer is going for 3,300 Ghana cedis, which is about $280. This comes with a sliding glass door. You know, the chilling glass on top that you slide sideways to access the content of the freezer. Yeah, it comes with that. It's not installed now, but I think when you buy it, it comes with it. And this is the big one, more like a standard family size, with a storage capacity of 309 liters. The price is 5,300 Ghana cedis, about $450. Another brand they have here is Samsung. This Samsung double door fridge is over 600 liters in total capacity. It also comes with the outer dispenser. This feels very spacious and deep. The right hand side is the fridge component and the left is the freezer. The price is 23,698 Ghana cedis. Here is a top mount going for 11,000 Ghana cedis. It comes with a Samsung Cool Pack, which is an ice pack that helps keep items frozen for longer in case of power outage. And next to it is this top mount freezer, around 300 liter, going for 8,700 Ghana cedis. And you get the Cool Pack in here too. That's nice. And if you want something a bit smaller but the same top mount freezer type, this Samsung fridge is going for 6,400 Ghana cedis. That in US dollars is $540. The capacity is 255 liters. You don't get their Cool Pack, but you do get the ice maker in there. Next is their NASCO section. They didn't have a lot of stock in this section, but let's check these two. The smaller one is currently priced at 2,800 Ghana cedis. This is the freezer, and here you have the fridge. I would say this is more like a student size refrigerator. And this one, you have more freezer space. The price is actually lower here. This is 2,700 Ghana cedis. Here are the refrigerators they have for the home electronics brand TCL. Now this is a bottom mount freezer, so the base is the freezer. With a little over 180 liters of volume, the price is 5,300 Ghana cedis. Here is a double door with a water dispenser. The price is 11,000 Ghana cedis. And to my right, he already opened that for us. This is also a double door with dispenser. The same configuration as the one we just checked, but the price is 12,000 Ghana cedis. The left hand side is the freezer and the right is the fridge. Here is another one of the bottom mount freezers. So the base will be the freezer and the top is the fridge. The price for this is 10,500 Ghana cedis. It is digitally operated from the outside for the temperature and the light. So I should say that is an option. So that is it for Melcom. Now moving on to the next home appliances outlet. This is Hisense. Getting right into their office, for 13,900 Ghana cedis, you get this double door Hisense refrigerator with a water dispenser. That in USD is about $1,180. Next to it is this other gray one. This is a 4-door Hisense fridge and it comes with a dispenser. The upper part is the fridge and the base the freezer. Also very deep. It feels like the Samsung one we checked at Melcom. The double door. This is 11,800 Ghana cedis. That is like half the price of the Samsung one. I was about to check the grey one, but before that, let's check this white integration built-in one. This is a 212-liter Asco fridge. I believe Asco is a different brand that Hisense carries. This is now going for 9,000 Ghana cedis. This is the fridge, and here you have the freezer to the base. Back to the grey one. This is a Hisense fridge with 230-liter storage capacity, going for 4,200 Ghana cedis. Here is a single unit Hisense refrigerator with a dispenser. The upper compartment is the freezer, and this here is the water tank for the dispenser. The price is 2,750 Ghana cedis. Now at Palace Mall. So in terms of the refrigerator brands here at Palace Mall, they have Media, they have Nasco, they have TCL here, LG, and they also have Samsung at the tail end. So a lot to check out. Let's start with TCL. This is a double door with a dispenser, quite spacious. You have the freezer to your left and the fridge to the right. The current price is 10,000 Ghana cedis from the previous 13,000 Ghana cedis. And the all black one here, which is also a double door, no water dispenser, but the price is 11,500 Ghana cedis. That is about $970. And this is one of their chest freezers. This is a standard family size. The price is 9,200 Ghana cedis.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
We are moving to Nasco now.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
This fridge is going for 9,500 Ghana cedis. This is a side-by-side fridge and freezer. It's going for 11,000 Ghana cedis. That in dollars is $935. So with Nasco, this is the bottom mount freezer fridge for 6,500 Ghana cedi. So the top is the fridge and the base is the freezer. And this is a reverse mount as the freezer is on top. The price is 4,000 Ghana cedis, which is about $340. And for the NASCO chest freezers, the large one here, which is a double chest, is going for 7,500 Ghana cedis.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
And the price for this one next to it is lower at 6,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, now on to Samsung. This is the only chest freezer they had on hand at this time, and the price is 6,000 Ghana cedis. And to the Samsung refrigerators, this one, they are giving you 20 years warranty. Your children and your children's children will use it. That is what they are promising. The total capacity is 411 liters. You also get their cool pack, and the price for this one is 15,300 Ghana cedis. I really like the presentation though. The deep blue combined with a grayish white top looks really nice and polished. With this one, you have the freezer to the base, and the top is the fridge. This is the water tank, and as you can see, that is the filter in the middle for the water, and here is the enclosed water dispenser. The price is currently reduced to 30,000 Ghana cedis. Back here is a top mount freezer, and the price is 8,300 Ghana cedis. Okay, let's check what they have for LG. You know, this is one of those fridges that can easily give you headache. Okay, especially if you find yourself alone in the house. You can mistakenly press something and everything will just suddenly shut down, okay? Or maybe it's just me. They have way too many features. Today's technology. Don't get me wrong, it's nice. You'll probably come to my house one day and see it's there. Obviously, it's supposed to make life easy, but sometimes it brings headache. Anyways, the price is 38,000 Ghana cedis. You have your normal features like the freezer, the fridge, the dispenser in front for both water and ice. You can also knock it twice and it will open like cantankerous cars. No, I'm just kidding. It won't open. It will just light up for you to see what is inside. Yeah, you need that. And the drinks or snacks you keep on the right side of the fridge, you can have access to without necessarily opening the doors of the fridge. Okay, and for the chest freezers, the storage capacity for this is 343 liters. Now to the fourth home appliances outlet in Accra. This is Cap Farm. Some of the brands they carry here are Samsung, Hillberry, Haya, and NASCO. Starting with Hillberry, this is a 299-liter chest freezer. The price is 3,750 Ghana cedis. This in USD conversion is about $315. And the price for this is now 3,250 Ghana cedis. This is a NASCO chest freezer with a volume of 288 liters. And the price is currently 4,400 Ghana cedis. These are like the hotel Airbnb type refrigerator sizes. It's still Hillberry. The price for this one is 1,150 Ghana cedis. I guess it can also be used in the master bedroom for those who like to have fridges in their bedrooms. And you have this one which is a size up but still for the same purpose. Can you tell this is really tall? Or maybe I'm short. This is Hillberry, by the way. The base is the freezer and the top is the fridge. The price is 7,750 Ghana cedis. This is 6,950 Ghana cedis. Comes with a water dispenser. This is the water tank and here is the freezer. Now this is the higher section. They didn't have normal refrigerators. They have these chest freezers. Let's check some of them. This is a 300-liter inverter chest freezer going for 3,850 Ghana cedis. And next to it, this one is 3,450 Ghana cedis with a capacity of 244 liters. This one is the same as what we just checked. Okay, that is it for Cap Farm. The next home electronics showroom for our refrigerator shopping is Electromat. This is the LG top mount freezer. The storage capacity is 187 liters and the price is 5,300 Ghana cedis. This 4-door broom is going for 16,550 Ghana cedis. The base is the freezer and you have a ton of space here. Back to LG, this is a 506-liter LG fridge going for 18,000 Ghana cedis. This is the freezer and that is the ice maker. For their chest freezers, this is broom with a capacity of 148 liters, now going for 4,750 Ghana cedis, which is about $400. Onto the Sit Home Appliances outlet in Accra. This is E-Zone. Here we go again with a knocking fridge. It's the same configuration, and here you have the option to connect directly to your water source at home, or they have the water tank in which you can manually pour the water. But here the price is higher than Palace Mall. The price here is 47,000 Ghana cedis. That is like 9,000 more than the Palace price. I don't think I've mentioned, but you know, this is LG. And this one next to it is going for 28,000 Ghana cedis. This is the side-by-side configuration. So to the left is the freezer and the right is the fridge. This is a single unit with the upper parts being the freezer. The price is 10,000 Ghana cedis. So that is it for the Sit Home Appliances outlet. That will close it for today's fridge and freezer shopping video. I will see you in the next video.